Hey poopers! Welcome to hashtag straight poop. Hey, I did a video on a whole pork belly that we did, okay? And I think 6 moves ahead. I'm like Bobby Fischer, that famous chess player, okay? Because I found, we went to Costco last night, I'm looking at all the meat and I'm like, my wife's like, what are you thinking? 5 videos ahead. Okay, that's what I'm thinking. Buy a big piece of meat. This is the pork belly that we did. Look at all the rub. Look at this. Okay, that was one hunk. This is a part of a hunk of meat. I'm getting 5 to 6 videos out of this. Today we're doing pho. We're doing pho later. We're doing a banh mi, which is basically a Vietnamese sandwich. Okay, so I took that and I sliced, and it's got all that keef and stuff in the rub. I'm frying cannabis oil, of course, extra virgin. I bought a really nice bottle of Barrio months ago and made some cannabis oil and let it sit. Here, guys. Sorry, had to give threw Clinky a piece of pork. She loves Daddy's barbecue. She calls me Daddy. The other 2 puppies call me Mister. The 2 older ones call me Daddy. Okay. Grind a pepper. Of course. I'm not putting salt in here because the rub had salt, okay? The rub's on the pork. The beautiful thing about this pork loin was that I scoured the bins looking for the best one to bring you guys and for me to eat. Look at all the meat. The only thing we're talking about here is just this little fat, but you know it's gonna render and it's gonna be really edible, okay? I love this cut of meat. It's meat, that's it, and fat. Yeah, so it's already cooked, of course. You know, so I'm just frying it in cannabis oil. Lower that down to 4. I started at 5. Oh man, that smells outstanding. And when I go to the pho shop, I'm gonna get a nice bowl of pho or pho jiao, which is a rice noodle. Yeah. I don't know, my wife gets this stuff, it's kind of slightly tangy, it's like a soup. I don't remember what it's called, but everything he's got, man, he's even got boba tea and, you know, good stuff. Been there forever. Very nice guy. Anyway, I asked him about banh mi, because this is like only the first time I'm doing it, you know? I kind of want to do it right, but you can't screw up. So, got a French baguette I toasted in the pan. Not going to subject you to that nonsense. And I took some shredded carrot and I doused it with vinegar and a little bit of sugar. I let that sit for a day. And then I just cut up some cilantro and a raw jalapeno. And then he suggested daikon radish, so I went and got a small one. Aldi didn't have them. I had to go to the big store. Family-owned store, though. Company-owned store. Employee-owned. Yeah, that's what I meant to say. Okay, these are done, man. Well, they were done. I'm just heating them through with cannabis oil. Okay, let me get that out of the way. Okay, man. Toasted the baguette, cilantro, my carrots, my daikon, and there's jalapenos under there. Let's do this. The sound. Oh man, the sound in the pan is great. I don't know why I'm giving you this shingle thing. I'm not that guy, but it looks good, don't it? Sure it does. You knows what I'd be saying, sister. Come on. You knows what I'd be saying. This is a great bone meat. I took some cannabis oil and some soy sauce, okay, and a little bit of mirin, and I kind of cooked it down into like this syrup. So, yeah, man. Have at it. Have at it, crowning touch to my pork belly banh mi. The video for the pork belly is in the video. You could find out how to cook that. Just tune that in, and we're going to do more stuff with this pork belly till it cease and desists in our belly. Thanks for joining us here, poopers. If you want that free cookbook, AI has turned off our link, but you could go to my company email site. The email's at our description page. Just email us, we'll get it off to you. Okay? Don't want to fight with technology. It's not worth it. Anyway, that's about it. Thanks for joining us here on #StraightPoopers. My dogs love seeing you here because they get to eat. Okay? Or they get to have me throw them a piece of meat while I'm on camera with you. So, have a great time making this. Enjoy the banh mi and everything else. If you're waiting on us, you're loafing, poopers. Hang loose.